These are my 5 parrots. And this is Malibu. Malibu is a superb parrot. And this is Synergy. Synergy is a plum-headed parakeet. This is Electra. Electra is a Senegal parrot. This is Marbles. Marbles is a mustache parakeet. And this is Kingsley. Kingsley is an Australian king parrot.
I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle, pickle, pickle.
The day starts anywhere between 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. The first thing I do is uncover all the birds.
There you are. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Malibu. Good morning, Synergy. Where are you guys? Marble? Good morning. Where? Oh, there you are. Hey, Synergy. What a nice day today. There you are. Hi, Marbles.
They start off the
Marbles,
day
is
with
that your
eating fresh
breakfast?
foods for breakfast. I make a chop mix and add some snap peas or cut up strawberries, blueberries, or anything that I have in the fridge, even some long green beans. Their favorite are snap peas. They love them, especially my Senegal. All the birds go for the snap peas first. I give them fruits about 3 times a
There you
week.
go, buddy. Malibu. Breakfast. Hi, Malibu. Breakfast.
I feed them in their cages as they do make a mess by dropping all their food. Kingsley likes to drop it all and go to the bottom of the cage. It just leaves a big mess. They tell me when they're finished breakfast and they want out of the cage by singing songs and talking to me.
Kingsley.
Now it's time to let
wanna
them
come
out of the
out?
cage.
Hi. Hi, baby. You want to come on, Malibu? Come on.
They like to bathe and play
You
in
want
the
a shower?
sink
We'll take a shower.
or just drink the water.
You want a shower, Kingsley? Kingsley, come. Here. Come on. Look. Here. Shower. You want a bath now, Malibu? You don't know if you want one or not. You just like playing in the water. There. How about like that?
I then spend some time training the birds,
Wave.
doing their
Attaboy.
special tricks for rewards.
Malibu, come here, perch. Spin. Yay! Good boy. Kingsley, wave. Good boy. Spin. Yes. Malibu, come. Come on. There we go. Go perch.
Now it's time to let out
Want to come out?
Synergy. Synergy loves
You wanna come
Malibu.
out? Come on.
Malibu tolerates him. They're okay. They're always kind of hanging out together. Synergy kind of follows Malibu around more than Malibu follows him. But as you will see, they'll always kind of be in the same spot. Marbles likes to hang out on top of her cage. I do have to keep an eye on her because of her beak size. She can actually harm them if she did bite them, so I really have to keep a close eye on her. She grew up with Kingsley, so they're not too bad together. And here she is with a food coma. See her crop? It's full of the fresh foods. She's feeling good.
Marbles.
Marbles is a grumpy girl.
Do you want a treat?
She can do tricks, but sometimes she's just a little bit angry.
Dave. Good girl. Oh.
I actually think she was afraid of my
mad all
nail
the time,
polish
eh?
because I don't normally wear nail
So
polish.
mad. Scratch.
Electra is pretty smart. When I tell her to
girl.
scratch, she scratches now because
Good girl.
I captured the moment when she used to scratch. It's a nervous behavior. She likes my husband better than me, but she's doing really great with me. I'm working with her, and we're having a good time together now. It took many years since she's 13. So if you have a bird that doesn't like you, it might take a long time for them to like you. I give her treats every day, talk to her, I take her out. And yeah, if my husband isn't around, she's a great bird. She doesn't step up on my hand though, and I don't trust her because she has a tendency to just turn around and attack me and bite your finger. She even bites my husband. So Senegals are like that. They're very moody. They can bite just like that, you know, and I usually don't even see the warnings. And here she is. She's angry at me. And whenever she's angry at me, she does this. She's biting that and she's thinking it's me. What a silly girl. And here's Marbles being cute. She's so cute. She likes to just sit and hang out with me at the table. And look, she pulled one of her feathers out. She's molten, so she didn't actually pull it out. It's just a loose one. And I thought this was adorable to see how she just kind of, look at her, twirling the little feather around in her beak. I thought she was going to eat it, but she doesn't actually eat it. You'll see. She'll just kind of spit it out. She's more or less just playing with it, just twirling it around. I see they usually play with their feathers. And sometimes they use them to scratch their heads.
You want a shower? Let's go take a shower.
I offer all my birds a shower in the shower. Sometimes they shower and sometimes they don't. Sometimes the water just splashes on them and that's it. But I like to offer them because sometimes they love it. I find they really love it in the winter more than the summer because they like to bathe outside in their aviary instead.
Okay, you don't have to if you don't want to. Kingsley, you want a shower? You want to take a shower? Get clean. Marbles, you gonna take a shower? We'll take a shower. It's nice and cool for you. Electra, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? There you go.
So I have
baby.
an aviary on my deck in my backyard, and all the birds go into the aviary and they take turns. Sometimes I'll put Malibu and Kingsley together or Malibu and Synergy, but usually they have their own time in the aviary. Here she's sharpening her beak so that she can bite me better. She loves to chew wooden toys. I tried to get her to bathe, but she didn't want to.
Take a bath.
She's not the best bather, so I do have to mist her just to keep her feathers in tip-top shape. Now it's Malibu's turn. Malibu utilizes the aviary very well. He flies back and forth and loves to bathe in the small water dish. He likes to bathe in the bigger water dish. He actually flies back and forth between the large one and the small one. It's fun to watch him do that. So he has a great time in the aviary. It's Synergy's turn. Synergy utilizes the aviary very well. He's very active. He loves to fly back and forth and take baths and chew toys, and he's very active in the aviary. He enjoys himself very much. Each bird that is in the aviary could be there for hours. I mean, the day is long, so they each get a few hours in the aviary. When I find them sleeping or just sitting still, I'll take them out and put somebody else in so they can utilize the aviary. This is Marble, so it's her turn now. She's not very active in the aviary. She kind of just sits around, listens to the sounds, gets some sun, gets some fresh air, and then she does her tightrope walking.
Marbles.
I try to get her to bathe, but she won't. Occasionally she will bathe in here, but not today.
No.
And now it's Kingsley's turn. Kingsley loves the aviary. He loves bathing in this small water dish. And he's always so happy in here. He starts to sing and dance and talk.
Do you want to dance? Dance? Dance, dance, dance. Whee! I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle, pickle, pickle. Whee!
While one of the birds are in the aviary, I put the other birds in their travel cages and put them on the table. So they're still getting fresh air and they're chewing their toys, making a mess, just having fun, enjoying the beautiful day. If the weather is bad, such as raining, hailing, snowing, or generally just too cold to go out, my birds take turns in my bird room. I have a bird room where all my birds are playing around and having fun. I have a lot of small birds, so I will divide their time up so they can all have a good time in here. Malibu has the best time in here. Malibu's like a monkey. As you can see, Malibu loves to climb and walk and play and just have a great time in the bird room. I just love watching him go.
You having fun, Malibu?
Later in the day, I give myself a break and the birds a break. They get rest, they can eat and go into their cages. And what I've done is I put water bowls at the bottom of Marble's and Synergy's cage. And I turn on the vacuum as they love to bathe when I turn on the vacuum. Give it a try if your birds don't like to bathe, as I swear all my birds bathe when I turn on the vacuum, as you'll see what they do now. Synergy starts taking a dip after I vacuum as well. Synergy likes to bathe in his actual water bowl and not in the water bowl I put at the bottom of the cage. Sometimes he runs back and forth. He'll go down and then up and down. Then in the evening, I let them out again for playtime so they can wind down and get ready for bed. So they have a blast here and they fly and they fly and they fly. They have a great time.
Hi, Synergy. Come on. There we go. Whee! You gonna look out the window?
So Malibu and Synergy are together again. Synergy loves to fly. He's so fast. That's why I call him Synergy. I like the name Synergy because energy is on the end of it. And he's got a lot of energy, so I call him Synergy. Like the name of the gas. You give something gas and it goes. He's all over the place. Excuse my messy house. My house is like for my birds. I don't even hardly have any furniture.
Good boy. Good boy. Synergy, come. There we go. What a good boy you are. Very good boy.
Look at them go. Synergy and Malibu flying together. I love watching it.
Malibu, spin. Spin. Wave. Pinky. Wave. Oh, what a good girl. Synergy. Come here. Step up. Step up. There we go. Kingsley, spin. Spin. Yes. Synergy, come. You're not Synergy. Malibu. Okay, don't chase him away. You waving again? Look at this. He keeps waving. He keeps waving. What are you doing, Kingsley? All right, Kingsley. Kingsley. Synergy. Hey, Kingsley. Wave. Okay, there you go. Yeah, you're spoiled. Synergy. No, Kingsley. Okay, go get some treats over there. Synergy. Malibu. It's hard to train 3 birds at once. Kingsley, you're the worst. Oh, look at, they're all going to dig into here. No, Kingsley, you're going to knock it over. You're so big. You stop. You stop. Guys. Okay, that's enough. You're going to eat too many. That's enough. Let me put them away. No, you're not listening to me. I'm going to put them away and close them up. Nope. No more. No more. Hey, Malibu. Hey, Synergy. You had enough treats already, huh? Yes, enough treats. No, you did too. And so did you. Enough treats.
Electra's getting sleepy.
Electra, you want a treat?
I usually give them a treat before bedtime.
Atta girl. You like that? Yummy.
Electra likes to just relax on the play stand above her cage while she's kind of winding down for the day.
Marbles, do you want to play a game? Or you want to stretch first? I thought maybe you'd like to play this game. Do you want to play this game? Marbles? Look. Do you want to play? No, you're busy preening.
Marbles is starting to wind down for the day. They always preen before they go to sleep. Kingsley has put himself back in the cage. You can see the door is open, as it's in the evening, is close to bedtime. So all the birds are in their cages and they're all relaxing. Every evening I change the papers at the bottom of the cage. I give them all a little bit of food before they go to bed. I give them a mixture of seeds, about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. So they eat this before they go to bed so they feel nice and full. Now they're all relaxed and calm and quiet. It's a nice time. In my house, it's nice and quiet. It's in summertime, so it's still a little bit bright out, but they're going to bed. It's around 8 o'clock, 8:30.
Good night,
I cover
Kingsley.
all their cages so they can sleep
Have a
well.
good sleep.
They go to bed for about 12 hours.
Good night, Electro.
The time varies depending on what time I'm waking up in the morning. If I have to wake up
Come
at
here,
6
baby.
and I wake the birds
Good
up,
night, Malibu.
then I put them to bed a little bit early.
Good night.
I shut all the
Good night,
blinds and
sweetie.
turn off all the lights.
Good night. Good night, Marbles. Are you bedtime? You gotta go to bed. Go to bed. You wanna sing a song? I'm a green pickle. Good night. What? He's like, what are you doing? Good night, okay? Good night. Go to bed. Sleep. Way past your bedtime. There you go. Okay, good night.
For more videos like this one, click on the video on the screen and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching.